welcome back to another episode of the World of Temples, and we're actually at number 5. Number 5 out of the temples that we're at. This is called the Volcano Temple. So, it seems like that there's a treasure chest inside. Oh, it's another book. Okay. I'm gonna actually place this here. Oh, please. Oh, my goodness. Alright, fine. Alright. If you guys are watching, pay attention, because you may overlook this riddle. Alright. So, it's a riddle to solve what problem? Let's find out. 4 volcanoes active. A clue is in or near one of them. Okay. It looks like there's big words here. So, for one clue. Oh, I get it. Okay. Okay, in case you didn't see this. Alright, so there's 4 volcanoes active, right? Okay. So there's 4 of them. 1 here, 2 back there, and 1 behind these trees. Okay? Alright. So, for 1 clue. So if you catch it, it's like a part of the riddle. So, if you actually see this riddle again, okay. 4 volcanoes active. A clue is in or near one of them. So you could see there's 3 words that are for 1 clue. So if you can hear the words that is being used for 1 clue. So if you take out the U, F-O-R for 1 clue. Do you see this? Because if you can see this, it's for 1 clue. So the only part of this is for 1 clue. So I would presume it's right in that, I would say. In or near one of them. So I would have to say right there in that little base there. That little fountain, I think. I think that is a fountain. So let's see. Let's grab a block here that is necessary. Do I have anything? No. Yeah, I don't. Interesting. Oh, excuse me. That was not supposed to happen. So, So the only way to solve this, if I had a block. Something I can actually use right over here. Even though I'm going out of my way just to solve this. Alright. So I'm actually going to place this book back here because I think I solved it. I think I did. I think I did solve this riddle. So let's find out if I'm right. So, placing a block on this little thing over here. Oh, wow, okay. Oh, sweet. So I have a nice little path here. So what is the meaning of these little corners here? In case you don't notice that each corner has 1 block higher than the rest. So does that mean I'm going to be placing it right here on this little... Is that what I'm doing? Yeah, that's it. That is it. There's the chest. That's crazy. Cool. Now, the whole point is now there's only 3 volcanoes now. But the whole point is, I guess the temple's right inside. I guess, I don't know. We'll find out. But there's no way I'm gonna climb up these volcanoes while they're active, because there's no way, no how I'm gonna do that. So there's gotta be another way. There has to be, at least for the most part, there has to be another way. Seriously, there has to be another way. I can't climb these volcanoes because either way I'll damage myself and kill myself instantly. So, not good if I did. If I did that. Okay. Oh boy. Well then. Alright, so let's read this riddle and see what we can find. So we have sticks, but I may just have to make spares. Just on the safe side. I may have to. I don't know. We'll find out. Alright. A bird must fly, but fall with style. Oh, wow. Wow. That's a good one. That's a good one. Alright, let's figure this out. Huh. A bird must fly, but fall with style. Oh, no way. Okay. Hang on. The key here is to solve this one is us. My character. My character is the bird. In case you didn't notice that. I am a bird. So the whole point of this riddle, if you catch it, I'm going to read it again. A bird must fly, but fall with style. So if you can catch that. So I'm a bird that must fly. So I can't really fly, but I can glide. It's the point. This is the point of it, that you glide with this. But fall with style. So the entire time you're using the Elytra, and that's what I'm using right now on my character. Clearly, that's what I'm using. So I have to fall with style with the Elytra, with me equipped with it. So that means that one of these has an entrance at the top of them. Okay, so only one way to find that out is what? Now I solved the riddles, but now what's next? Does anybody have an idea? What am I supposed to do? Okay. This is gonna get very interesting because there's no way anyhow I'm gonna figure this out, because there's no way, no how I will figure this out. Unless I actually desperate to actually solve it. So I need to get to a high vantage point because clearly it says fall with style. So I must be at a very high vantage point in order to do this. So let's figure this out. Because either way, I want to check something real quick. Okay, I want to make sure I have something turned on in case I do die. But here's the thing, though. This is one thing I do want to find out. Where is this entrance? Because it says, bird must fly, fall with style. So I must have to, glide on my way down? Oh, wow. So it's already been open. Interesting. So it looks like oh, crap. I don't want to go down there. Do I? I think I have to. Alright. A bird must fly. So I have to fly. But fall with style. So that's the elytra right there. So I'm gliding downwards, pretty much. Not all the way, like, straight down and kill myself instantly, but you get the point. Alright, going down. Ow. That hurt. Alright, so looks like I'm gonna be gliding. Oh, wow. Who came up with this? Who came up with this idea? Who did? I want to know. Oh, I see. It's like a little... Alright. Oh, wow. In case you don't see this. This right here. See, there's a hole right here. And there's one over here the same way. And then there's one over here the same. But one of these has an entrance on the top, apparently. So, in order to do this right, because you could do this many, many times, but you only have a certain amount of time to do this. Otherwise, you're just gonna fall and die. Unless you land in the water, then you won't. So. Oh, it's right here. Yep. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Drop. Oh, I see why. It's challenging, I see. Alright, now I'm stuck. Crap. I see why. It was a challenge just to get inside. I see that now. Alright, so the hole at the top. I get it. Alright, so now I'm inside the actual volcano itself, which is nice. Interesting. Anywho, well. Cripe. Okay. It seems like there's an iron door up there. Okay. Let's see. There. Yeah, there's an iron door right there. Okay, so it looks like there's a little bit of a stretch of a ladder on that left side of the door. So I'm thinking it might have to go up on top somehow, because if that's a thing where I have to. Let's see. Oh no! Wait, there is a tunnel inside, isn't there? Because if that is, okay, there's an iron door here. All right, there's an iron door here. Okay. Oh, wow. So there's a ladder inside. Okay, so there's a ladder inside. So that must be where... I'm gonna unequip this for now. Because I don't need to fly in here. Or do I? I'm not sure. However, I'm very clueless here. What am I doing? Oh, okay. We're gonna be playing little, luck with the ladders here again. So, we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of luck with that. Crouch. Alright, now, oh, we're gonna do a little bit more of those games, I see. We're gonna do that right over here, too. Awesome. I see, we're gonna play a little bit of a game. I'm not sure where I'm stepping here. Okay, so, okay. So this brings me to this door. Oh, wow. There's a lever behind this thing. Let's go and get it. So this actually opens up the door. And I go down. Yep. Precisely what's taking place here. Now what? Oh, it's a tunnel in here. Cool. Oh, we're underwater, aren't we? Yeah, above me is water. That's cool. Alright, so now I'm hopping right up in here. Oh, good grief. Now what? Okay, so there's a treasure chest here. Now what? Okay, so it looks like I have to climb this ladder here to get up there. Cross that. But what's inside that thing? I wonder. I really want to find out. So what's inside that, I wonder? Alright, let's find out this first. Oh, it's closed. Okay. Oh, wow. So that means there's nothing inside it. So nothing to... Oh, see, I see why they're doing this to me. So in case I do fall, bloop, I'm in the water. So that there's no damage taken. I see. I see how they're doing this to me. Alright. Okay, so it looks like we're going to do a little bit of hopscotch. Oh, see, I see why they're doing this. Okay, I see why. We're going to play a little bit of a game here, so that's why it's challenging. I see. So doing it at the right time is one thing. Alright, I see. Oh, I got lucky there. Alright, so what's in here? Oh, wait. Oh, thank the Lord. But look at this. There's a lot of totem of undying inside this. Alright. So I got a nifty little treasure. Now, we're going to go up here and see what's inside. Oh, look at that. A lever. Okay. That may be what we need to go to that iron trap door. And look at that. We've got a lot of totem of undying. So we can die many times when we want, but this is the many times we can die. Pretty much. Alright. Now, I'm going to place the temple clues in here. And the actual books here so that I can actually place them in here. And then what I'm going to do is place the potions just in case I need them. And I'm going to hold on to the bed here still in case I still need to sleep. And then place this in here so that I don't have it available for me to craft. Because what if I craft them and I use them? Not good, right? So it's always best to really pay attention to what you're really asking for. So we're going to hold on to the Elytra. We're going to place that here. We're going to place this here so that it's ready to go. Alright, done. So I got my very own shulker box. So really, I have my own shulker box, which is kind of nice. So I can do either the flame bow, infinity bow, or just the regular bow. But I'm going to use the regular bows in case I see something, so. Alright. Okay, so there's no ladder on that thing, so it looks like we have to drop down onto it. Alright, going in. Down we go. Bottoms away. Alright, here we go. Mm. Mm. Alright, up we go. Up, 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 and away! Do you guys recognize that from somewhere? Probably. I am actually going to close this door just to be on the safe side, so let's go ahead and close it. Mm. And look at that, the iron door is just right here, so we're going to go and damage ourselves, but you know what? It's better than safe and sorry. Alright, so we're going to get these shulker box, place it here, open her up. Not this book, please, not that. Alright, so we're going to hold the switch here. Alright, so looks like that's what we're going to do there. Alright. Mm. Mm. Oh, wait, we're going to this. Oh my, hang on. What did I just see? Oh, snap. Are we going to play a little bit of a hopscotch up in here? Oh, wow. All the way up there, too. Okay, is there a way out? Because I can't get back. I can't go back out the same way I came. Is there another way out? There has to be, at least. Hang on. There has to be another way out. Yeah, right here. Actually. Yeah, this is it. This is the way out. Okay, so now I know where the exit is. Just in case. Alright, so... Alright, so what are we doing? So it looks like we're going to be a little bit of walking on these pathways. So we're going to play a little bit of luck, I see. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so since in case you didn't see it, the torches are blocking me from grabbing the ladders there, so that is pretty cool. So, alright, so this one, we're gonna play a little bit of luck. That's precisely what we're doing here. Uh-huh. Pretty simple. Oh, wow. We're almost there, too. That's cool. So, this is basically a learning experiences here, so... So I don't want it to fall in there. Well, I can't either way. I'll land on the dirt, so... Alright. Alright, here we go. Going up. Little bit of luck, as you can see. And right now. There. Back out just a bit. Okay, so I'm actually now at the tippy top of this volcano. That's pretty compelling. Alright, so what we got in here is, oh my, the next temple clue. Alright, so let's go ahead and read it. Okay, 1, 4, 4, 6, 5, 3, 5, 4. So what we're going to do is actually follow that. And then once we get to our destination, I'm going to put it into the shulker box. Alright, here we go. Not before we move. We're going to actually let it do its own save. Oh boy. Just give me a second here. I'm gonna open up something here. Alright. Alright. So if I drop right here though, I am actually gonna land on that thing there, unless I do a little bit of luck somewhere else that I know I'm gonna do luck really well on. Oh my. No way. They actually have me block. They have me blocked, don't they? Ah. Oh no, right here. Right here. Here we go. Oh. That hurt. Okay. Alright, let's get the heck out of here, shall we? I knew it was coming. I knew my sneezes were coming. Alright, let's get the heck out of here. Sorry about that. Now, question is, there's no ladder. Even though I'm not allowed to fly. But I'm able to use it in emergencies only. In this case, it's an emergency. So I'm able to save myself from getting stuck. So I'm gonna keep it active for now, even though I won't use it, or try not to. Alright, so now I'm gonna levitate here. Alright. A hidden entrance, that's cool. Never would have thought the hidden entrance would be there. Oh, that's cool. That it sits there. Excuse me. Just somewhat eating my dinner, so hang on. There we go. Alright, now the next clue to the next temple, in case you can't read it, but if you have a bigger screen and a bigger outlook of the graphics, you'll be able to read this. Alright, so 1, 4, 4, 6, 5, 3, 5, 4. So, for the rest of this remaining episode, I am going to extend it just a bit until I get to my next temple, which I may be going the right way. So, alright. Just forgive me for now. I am so, in case I end up... Hang on. In case I do fall into a hole and die, I want to make sure I am literally holding one of these suckers. So, I want to make sure I'm literally holding that. So that I can look at the map as I do this. Okay. Alright. Like I said, in case I actually end up falling into a death pit, I want to make sure I'm actually holding the Totem of Undying. So that I'm... Since in this map, I am... What am I doing right here? Come on now, I need to get going here. Ah! Excuse me. Okay, so... Oh, what? You see what I'm saying, right? What is that? Well, we'll find out soon enough later, I hope. What is that up there? A weird structure with a barrier below it. Strange. Too bad we can't fly up there legally, so... Apparently. Because that'll be cheating if that was. If it wasn't a rule, then I will be able to go anywhere I wish. So, if I'm in danger, I can fly out of my danger, which means death holes, like death pits that were like inaccessible for me to get back out. So I'm able to use the fly in an emergency. So I'm able to do that. So the rule says that you're unable to fly or levitate in any shape or form unless you are in danger, which is in cases of an emergency. So, like, things like this, if I end up like this, okay, for example, so if I end up like this, there's no way up. I can levitate myself out. See what I'm saying? So that is a good example, because if I end up not seeing the hole and I drop and I die, the Totem on dying will prevent myself from dying. And, plus side, I'll be able to get back out safely. So in that case, if I end up not seeing the hole, and you guys do, leave in the comments. Alright, so let's look at the map here again. Where am I going here? Okay, okay, so it looks like I need to go this way, apparently. Alright, so don't tell me this whole time there's a temple near my hometown. Don't tell me this. Do not tell me there's one nearby, because I'm literally next to my hometown right now, which is my village that I actually recreated and rebuilt. So, okay. Oh, what? No way, man. Am I really going the right way? Because if that is, holy crap. I think I remember something in my first temple. I saw something in a distance from up there. And I thought I saw it right over here. So I was up there You guys remember that when I was trying to figure out um the braille text over there, and I happened to look over here, and I pointed it out too. It happened to be over here somewhere, and I do remembered it. Oh my goodness, yes I did. I did see something. I was not really seeing an anomaly, so I was seeing something. So for once, I was right about what I was saying. So 14465 354. So that's where I'm at now. All right. All right. So I'm not sure. Well, this is number 6. So I don't know. What the heck am I seeing? I do not know. So what is around me? A forest, but no temple. I don't see a building structure type of any kind. So all I see is trees. Okay, well, we'll have to find out what this 6 is all about. So, I don't know. I'm just looking at trees. And that tower in back, I don't know. Well, I will find out in the next episode. So, actually, we will find out in the next episode. So I'll be looking for it later on today. So until then, if you like this video, please leave a like and a comment to show me your support. Also hit that subscribe button that show that you show interest in my videos. And until then, also hit that bell notification button and smack it if you can, that is. Until then, yours truly, your host, Survival Man 1, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.